Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best mandolines in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Ben Rainer Mandoline Jumbo Slicer, Japanese Stainless Steel Blade, Beige. Ben Rainer's Beige Jumbo Mandoline Slicer easily slices larger fruits and veggies into consistently sized pieces that cook evenly and look great. Made from handcrafted Japanese stainless steel blade and BPA-free plastic. Large open handle for comfort with non-skid rubber base for added stability. Wide straight edge blade cuts larger produce into slices, like cabbage, melon, and more. Safety guard holds smaller pieces to protect fingers. Hooks onto bowls to collect slices. Slices consistent thicknesses. Disassembles for cleaning. Easy to use. Save time during food prep. Make healthy snacks, garnishes, and more. Measures 13x6, 5 inches. Top rack dishwasher safe. Number 4. Octavzo Good Grips Handheld Mandoline Slicer, White. This handheld OXO mandoline slicer adjusts to 3 different thicknesses for fruits and vegetables. It has a non-slip handle, and the non-slip foot on the end keeps it from slipping around on the work surface. Since part of the mandoline is clear, it's easy to see the slices below and know how much you've cut. It is dishwasher safe, and it comes with a hand guard. Unlike other models, this one does not make julienne, wavy, or French fry cuts. While testing out the mandoline, we noticed that it was actually easier to slice firmer produce, whereas softer produce was occasionally more difficult to handle. We found that it made for nice thin slices of potato, and we were able to slice a full-size cucumber in about 30 seconds. With tomatoes, the slices were a bit uneven but still solid. We also liked how secure and comfortable the mandoline was to grip for being so small. Number 3. Full-Star All-in-One Vegetable Chopper, Mandoline Slicer and Cheese Grater, Multi-Blade French Fry Cutter and Veggie Dicer, includes bonus handheld spiralizer and kitchen gadgets. Greatest functionality on the market. 5 interchangeable blades means this kitchen gadget meets all of your slicing, grating, and chopping needs. Choose the perfect thickness of your sliced vegetables with the easy-to-use adjuster dial, and select the ideal size for your chopped vegetables by simply changing the inserts. Bonus handheld spiralizer. Compact and easy to use, the Full-Star Mandoline Slicer comes with a bonus 3-in-1 adjustable spiralizer. Unlike large units, this kitchen gadget is easy to store and a breeze to clean as it is dishwasher safe. Keeping you and your family safe. We know our stainless steel blades are high quality and razor sharp. Number 2. Prepworks by Progressive Adjust-A-Slice and Julienne Mandoline, White and Green. Get perfect, even slices with the easy-to-use Adjust-A-Slice mandoline from Progressive International. The wider slicing surface accommodates larger fruits and vegetables such as onions, tomatoes, kiwi, and apples. And it also includes julienne blades for cutting zucchini, for stir-fry, or carrots for garnish. And the angled blade provides more efficient slicing. You get 3 thickness options: thin, medium, and thick. Simply set the blade to the desired thickness with the slicing knob. Then either hold the slicer at an angle to your cutting board or rest it over a bowl. Non-skid base and ridges keep the mandoline slicer stable on either a flat surface or a bowl's rim. Secure your food with the included finger guard to slide it over the blade to get perfectly sized slices. Slide button down to lock for safe cleaning and storage. Dishwasher safe, but hand wash for best results. Number 1. Swissmar Borner V1000 and 1 V-Slicer plus Mandoline 5-piece set. Cute vegetables like a Pierrot. With the first-class V-Slicer plus set, you have a practical helper for preparing delicious dishes of all kinds. Crunchy raw vegetable salads, delicious vegetable carpaccio, and much more. With its microfine, ground stainless steel blade, the slicer cuts even the hardest fruit and vegetables into wonderfully even slices. Seat includes includes 7mm blade, 3.5mm blade, and thick/thin reversible slicing blade. Slice different thicknesses, julienne or shred. Ambidextrous food safety holder provides complete protection. Prongs hold food while guard protects hands. Protective storage caddy safely holds all components while not in use. Easy to clean. Rinse under running water after use. Ideal gift. Our high-quality Borner safety holder comes in attractive packaging and is therefore the ideal gift for all hobby chefs and kitchen fans.